is up, guys? Amaya here with Houston Paint Guy. If you want to check us on YouTube, my YouTube channel is Amaya the Paint Guy all together. We are a mobile paint and body refinishing company here in Houston, Texas, and do minor cosmetic repairs for clients around town on their vehicles. In this video today, I'm going to show you a repair that I did for a client. He had a Corvette Stingray. Somebody keyed his quarter panel and the rear bumper, and he called us up. We went out to his home and serviced his vehicle on site the same day. So I'm going to show y'all that video real quick, guys. Let y'all take a look at the repair process. So here we go. Basically, the scratch is right there, and it's got another one right there. So we're gonna shoot this quarter panel, it breaks right there, and we're gonna do a blend on the bumper, blend to this corner all the way down, and shoot this front face. That's pretty much it, guys. So here we go. All right, guys, so that was the car that I repaired for the client. The next video I want to show y'all basically shows the primer. So here is the primer spot. Basically it's on the quarter panel and the bumper itself. It's a pretty big spot, guys. But you know, after you sand any type of base on a vehicle and you cut through the layer of paint, you have to shoot primer to seal, and then shoot your base over that, and finally your clear coat. So that's what it looks like with the primer, guys. In the next video, I want to show y'all what it looks like once I sand it down and scuff the primer. So now this is with the clear coat on the quarter panel. I shot my base and then I shot my clear, and as you can tell, you can see all the waviness. It's like a texture. That's what we call orange peel. I like shooting one heavy coat of clear coat because anything that lands on it I can wet sand and buff out later. If I were to shoot two coats, I'd basically trap any trash that lands on it, and then it'll be visible. And black shows everything, guys. The last video I want to show y'all is what it looks like after it's all said and done. So here we go, guys. Alright, guys, so this is after we wet sand and buff, and a little windy outside, but not bad, huh? Not bad from a first paint job. So we did do a blend to this corner. So I shot this whole piece that way, but I did a blend here and down that line. You can kind of see it right there. I'm gonna blend a little bit more, but up here you really can't see anything because the blend is like right there. So there it is, guys. Nice, good finish. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, or if you want to see other videos about what I do. Just go ahead and put it in the comments below. Peace. Okay, guys, so that was the video of me working out in the field. You know, basically we do the same thing as a body shop. The only difference is we don't have a controlled environment, a spray booth where we can bake the car. You know, we spray outside, you know, painters paint in the booth, and I don't mean no disrespect to any painters out there. I've been on both sides of the fence. You know, just everybody has their own way of working. So I know I'm gonna get some hate mail, and some other, you know, people are gonna be like, hey, you know, you did a good job, and I appreciate the good comments. But basically, this is what I do, guys. This is what I'm good at. And if y'all have any questions, feel free to comment below or reach out to me. If you're in the area, just look up Houston Paint Guy, and you can reach us online. If you're a mobile painter, or if you're a body man that works at a paint and body shop and you want to connect, or if you're a mobile painter already, y'all can reach me at houstonpaintguy@gmail.com, and just put YouTube on the subject line, and I'll try to connect with you guys and reply to any emails I get. So other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all around on the next video. So peace out.